Understanding, under one's skin, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, under one's skin. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's dive in. Under one's skin is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says that something gets under their skin, it means that thing is annoying or irritating them. Interestingly, this phrase can be used in various contexts, both casual and formal. It's important to note that this is a figurative expression and does not refer to anything physical getting under the skin. To better understand how under one's skin is used, let's look at some examples. 1. My brother's constant humming really gets under my skin. Here, the speaker is irritated by their brother's humming. 2. It really gets under my skin when people are late to meetings. In this case, the speaker is expressing annoyance over people being late. These examples show how the phrase can express irritation caused by various actions or behaviors. There are similar phrases and variations that convey the same feeling. For example, it rubs me the wrong way is another way of saying something is irritating. It grates on my nerves also expresses a similar sense of annoyance. Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and expressive ability in English. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, under one's skin, and its usage in English. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this are a key part of becoming fluent and comfortable in a new language. Keep practicing, and don't let the challenges of learning English get under your skin. See you in the next video.